Student, welcome to Biospirit. Today I am giving first PUC biology fixed questions and answers. So we will discuss chapter wise fixed questions and answers. For first chapter is a living world. So from living world they are raising the question on binomial nomenclature. So the question is like the write any 5 role of binomial nomenclature. If they arise role of binomial nomenclature means we have to write these points. And next question is there. So what is taxonomic hierarchy? Illustrate the taxonomical hierarchy with suitable example. So here maybe they will arise the question on men or housefly or mango or wheat. So they will arise the question on any one as an example. So you have to be ready for the men, housefly, mango and wheat, kingdom and phylum, class, order and family, genus and species name. So if you know that whole these examples kingdom to species means you can write easily. So I take an example human being means men. So I written men kingdom to species. So you have to read men, housefly and man, mango and wheat. Next question is that expand IUCN or ICBN or ICZN. IUCN means International Union for Conservation of a Nature and Natural Resource. But here I mention only nature only. If you want means you can write on nature and natural resource. And next ICBN means International Code of Binomial Nomenclature. And next is there ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Next question is there define the following terms. The first one is their phylum, class. First one is their phylum, second one class, third one family, and order genus. So these definition I mentioned here. You can refer this one. Question is there what is binomial nomenclature? So if they arise say like that question means you have to write this definition. And next one is there write binomial name of plant mango. So you have to write Mangifera indica. And who is the father of taxonomy? Carl Linnaeus. And what is taxon? So group of organisms classified as a unit. And next question is there write any 4 distinct feature of living organism. So 4 distinct living features of living organism, that is growth, metabolism, reproduction and consciousness is there. Chapter is there biological classification. From biological classification there is a question majority time, that is mycoplasma. So they arise a question like write a short note on mycoplasma. If they arise a short note means you have to write few points. So I mentioned here. And next question is there write any 6 general characteristics of kingdom Protista. It is most important is there because they will arise a question direct on 6 general characteristics of kingdom Protista. Otherwise they will arise a question on diatomaceous earth. And majority time they arise a question on this topic. So you have to read and you have to give more preference for this topic. And next question is there write 6 general characteristics of fungi. So I mentioned few important points, you refer it. And it is this question they arise on 2017 and 1919. I mentioned here also wherever I written question. And next question is there how are virus differ from viroid or prions. So here 2 option I given. So it is comparison between the virus and viroid or virus and prions. So I mentioned this question, I written this question in only 2 questions are there, virus versus viroid and virus versus prion. So together I make one single question only. So you can refer it. Next is there draw a neat label diagram of TMV or bacteriophage. So it is also most important diagram. Previous year there is a question on this. And next is there why Deuteromycetes are also called imperfect fungi. It is most important is there majority time there is a question on imperfect fungi. And next name the 2 component of lichens. I mentioned there is phycobiont and mycobiont. you can refer it, and my answers are there very short and it is easy for remember purpose. And some students, they are suffering by pronunciation and difficult words are there, so they are fearing bio, so that's why I make short points. And next question is there, write a short note on slime mode. So if there are IC question on slime mode, you have to write these points. And next, okay, wait, few more questions are there. Okay, next question is there, write the 5 characteristics of kingdom Monera. And if there is a question on Monera, means you have to write these points. And mind it, it is most important is that there is so many time. And next, who proposed the 5 kingdom classification? It is R.H. Whitaker is there. Classify, next question is there, classify the bacteria based on their shape. So this question is related to the cell chapter also and biological classification also. So this question they arise from biological classification chapter, so I mentioned here. Next is a chapter number 3, plant kingdom. So from plant kingdom, so most important question is there, that is mention any 4 algal ecological importance. So what are the benefits of algae? So maybe here they will arise the questions, ecological importance of algae or brio. It is fixed question is it, every year they are rising either algae or brio, so that's why I mentioned very important question. So these are the useful points or ecological important points. Next question is there, mention any 4 ecological important of brio. Just now only I given algae, now I am giving bryophyte, so both are different is there, so you have to read these points. And next is there, write the general characteristics feature of bryophyte. So it is also many time they arise a question and it is most important, and you know very well it is easiest topic is there. And next, write the 6 general characteristics features of pteridophyte. These are the pteridophyte points are there. And next question, write the 6 general characteristics of gymnosperm. And next chapter is a kingdom, animal kingdom. So next chapter, animal kingdom. So most important question is a list any 5 difference between the Chondrioctis and Ostreoctis. These are the differences. And next, write the general characteristics features of Annelida. I can refer these points. And next is a list the general characteristics of Arthropoda. Annelida and Arthropoda are the most important topic is they are raising the question on these topics. Whatever I written question and answer, these are the fixed and most important is there. Question is there, write 5 general characteristics of aves. Aves, it is most important topic is there. Many times there is a question on aves. And next topic is there, differentiate between radial symmetry and bilateral symmetry. You have to write in columnar form. Question is differentiate between chordata and non-chordata, and it is most important. Many times there is a question chordata and non-chordata difference. It is also you have to write in columnar form. And next one is write the general characteristics of mammalia. So mammalia you know very well because human beings are best example for the mammalia. So you can write characteristics of mammalia. Next and last topic of animal kingdom, that is state the function of followings: nidoplast, comb plate, radula, flame cell, parapodia, and gill slit. These functions you have to write, and I mentioned functions also. Next chapter is morphology of flowering plant. So from morphology of flowering plant, the most important diagram is a monocot seed, and it is easiest and simple diagram is here. So I drawn like that. If you want means you can refer this diagram, otherwise you can follow the NCERT. And next and most important topic is here, write the floral formula and floral diagram of Solanaceae. So it is floral formula is here and it is floral diagram is here. Next question is describe the types of estivation found in flowering plant, and it is another form of question is you can read, and it is also most important. Every year there is a question on estivation, so I mention answer in this reason. So in estivation, first type is a velvet estivation, second one is a twisted, and third one is a imbricate, and last one is a chapter. Next question is here, that is describe the types of estivation found in flowering plant, and it is another form. Define the estivation, explain any two types. And next another form is there, what is estivation, mention any four types with one example of each. So you have to write estivation types and definition plus examples. And here first type is a velvet estivation, example calotropis. Second one is a twisted, example Gina rose. Third one is a imbricate, example cassia. And next fourth one I mentioned definition. And next what is venation, and mention the types with example. Venation means arrangement of a vein and veinlets in the lamina of leaf, that is called venation. And here two types is a reticulate venation. Reticulate venation means network like arrangement of veinlet, and second type is a parallel venation. Parallel venation means veins run parallel to each other within a lamina, example monocot. And next question is that name the term used for arrangement of the ovule in ovary, and it is most important is that many times there is a question. And so here five types are there. First one marginal placentation, second one axial placentation, third one parietal placentation, and fourth one basal placentation, fifth one is a free central placentation. And next question is what is or define inflorescence. Inflorescence means you know very well, so the group of flowers that are arranged on this single branch, example bougainvillea. And next difference between the taproot and fibrous root, and it is most important is that many times there is a question on taproot and fibrous root difference, and taproot is a dicot and fibrous root is belongs to that is monocot. Next what is phyllotoxy, and mention any two types. And phyllotoxy means arrangement of leaves on the plant stem or branch, example alternate, opposite, oral. Phyllotoxy means, for example, you take Murraya koinigi or neem, the neem branch you take it, so the leaves are arranged in alternate manner. And next oral means you can take it papaya example. And next is there what is actinomorphic flower. Actinomorphic flower means it is a type of flower that possesses radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means that flower you can cut any plane, they use two equal halos. The flower we are calling as a actinomorphic. And another one is a zygomorphic. Zygomorphic means the flower you cut by a single plane, they use two equal halos, that is zygomorphic. And next what is parthenocarpic fruit. Parthenocarpic fruit means the fruit that develops without fertilization of a ovule and resulting into a seedless fruit. So a best example you take grapes. The grapes is a parthenocarpic is because they don't have any seeds. Next and last topic is, and last question is mention the orals of the flower and their units. And it is important question is that they arise many times. So orals means circles, flower circle. First one is a calyx, calyx outermost, green color, corolla, that is colorful, and third oral is a androecium, and gynoecium is the fourth oral, and it is center one is a total four oral is a. In some flower they have one more orals, that is bracteate. If the bracteate another leaf like structure is there means that is we are calling as a bracteate. If the flower they have a bracteate means then we are calling as a bracteate flower. So if they don't have a small leaf like structure means then we are calling as a ebracteate. Best example you take hibiscus, they have a two reason green color structure, one small green like structure, green leaf like structure, that is bracteate, another one large one, that is calyx. I'm uploading only 5 chapter question answer, and in next part 2 video, so I will cover the remaining chapters.